guys, we're at the track. We've got the first 5 Hot Wheels speed machines. They're gonna race. The winner of this race will face off the winner of the next 5 in the finals. We've got the Lamborghini Gallardo police car, the F430 Ferrari Challenge, the Ferrari FXX, the Audi R8, and the McLaren F1 GTR. Let's get race number 1 started. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! And it's the Audi R8 that takes race number 1. Race number 2 cars are on the starting grid. We've got the McLaren F1 GTR, the Lamborghini Murcielago SV, the Ferrari 550 Maranello, another McLaren F1 GTR, and the big bad king, the Bugatti Veyron. Let's see who takes race number 2. On your mark, get set, go! And the McLaren F1 GTR takes the win in race number 2. And we are all set for our final race to find out the Hot Wheels Speed Machines champion, the McLaren F1 GTR versus the Audi R8. Let's find out our winner. On your mark, get set, go! And it's the Audi R8 that takes the win and is our Hot Wheels Speed Machines champion.